Can you think of visiting museums online? Students of Holy Cross School Hazaribagh were required to do so for an intra-school competition, and they performed brilliantly in that. Following are the highlights of the event.
Angi Thapa from Holy Cross School, class 9C. I'm here to show my presentation on Indian Museum, Kolkata, India. The Indian Museum in Kolkata, West Bengal, India, also referred to as Imperial Museum at Kolkata in colonial era text. It is the ninth oldest museum in the world, oldest museum in India, and largest museum in India. The museum has 4 galleries dedicated to natural history, namely the botanical, insect, mammal, and bird galleries.
Hello everyone, I'm Anubha Pandit of class 9. The National Museum in New Delhi is also known as the National Museum of India. It's one of the largest museums in India. Established in 1949, it holds a variety of articles ranging from prehistoric era.
I am going to present Virtual Museum. The museum that I am going to speak about is Jain Museum, a room. In the first room, the statue of Jain god, that is Mahavir, and the precious stones are present.
The Victoria Memorial. This is a great museum architected by Sir William Emerson. The design of structure represent a fusion of British Empire and Mughal architecture. White Marcana marble were used in the construction of Victoria Memorial Hall, and building was inaugurated in the year 1921.
About exploring National Museum in Delhi. Nataraj in Chola bronze is a depiction of Hindu god Shiva as the divine dance. His dance is called Tandavam. The pose and artwork is described in many Hindu texts. Tanjore paintings depicting the wedding of Shiva Parvati and Ram Sita. Shiva and mythology are the main subject of these paintings.
Hawa Mahal is situated in Jaipur and it was made by Maharaja Pratap Singh. It is made with red and pink rocks and it is about 220 years old. King Shah Jahan made Taj Mahal in the memory of her wife Mumtaz Mahal. It took over 20 years to build. It took about 3 crore 20 lakhs to build. And if we try to build such a building in today's life, it will cost at least 5900 crores or more.
The things that entered the blue hole are impossible to turn out, even it is a humans, satellites, or even a planet. 10th April 2019 was a great day for us science. On this day, the Event Horizon Telescope, present at different parts of the world, that is America, Antarctica and Africa, was able to click the first picture of a black hole present at the center of M87 galaxy.
This is the view of the Milky Way from the International Space Satellite. So you can see there are many galaxies which has Milky Way galaxy in which we live.
Supernova. A massive star dies in explosion called supernova. Only the collapsed core remains. If the core is very dense, it becomes a neutron star which rotates rapidly.
Now let's enjoy the amazing virtual journey. for a moment, we can leave the Earth behind and explore the solar system. Sun is at the center of the solar system. It's like a star. The suns make more than 90% of the mass in the solar system. Let's leave the sun now to explore the planets. As we move away from the sun, the first planet is Mercury.
Would there be a shortcut to another universe? Despite being black and a whole hole, black hole is not empty and dark. In theory of relativity, Einstein predicted how black means the mass will be 28 times heavier in sun.
Until 1918. During the war, Germany, Australia, Bulgaria, and the Ottoman Emperor, known as the Central Power, fought against Great Britain, France, Russia, Italy, Japan, and the United States, known as the Allied.
Exploring museum virtually. This is Louvre Museum. It is the world's largest art museum and a historic monument in Paris, France. It was established on 10th August 1979. It is the exterior part of the museum. They have collection size 35,000 on display.
Let's have a view on a medieval art gallery. This gallery has a sculpture ranging from the 7th to the 10th century. After the fall of the Gupta Empire, India's subcontinent was divided and controlled by the different dynasties. It includes the architecture like Yogini, the mother goddess, Lord Surya, and so on.
Any work of architecture which does not express serenity is a mistake.
Architecture of India is rooted in its history, culture, and religion. Konark Sun Temple is a 13th century CE sun temple at Konark, about